Okay, so one of the most common mistakes when it comes to Tibetan language learning, people just try to memorize word and memorize the sentences, which is not practical. So the right way to learn spoken Tibetan as well as colloquial Tibetan, one should focus on these five auxiliary verbs: yin min, yu me, re mare, etc. Then after understanding these five basic rules, then one should change the subject and object in the sentence by keeping the same auxiliary verb. For example, I'm Norbu. I'm not Tenzin. Nga Norbuin. Tenzin min. He is Tashi, not Dorje. Kong Tashi re, Dorje mare. Once you understand this structure, try to change the subject and object in a sentence and try to make more. For example, I'm a teacher, not a doctor. Nga giyenin, member min. Now, once you understand the structure, replace the subject I with a V, for example, nganso, and replace the object teacher with a student, lopto, by keeping the same verb yin. For example, nganso menpa yin. Nganso menpa yin. Now, in this way, you can make hundreds of sentences, and this is very practical as well. And for your convenience, I have made a course known as Tibetan Master Course for the Beginners, where I have discussed thoroughly about all these five auxiliary verbs and also verb conjugations with first, second, and third person, which will help you in reading Tibetan texts and scriptures and have basic conversations with your Tibetan friends and teachers. And you will have exercise after each module as well. And one more good thing about my course is once you have it, you can use this for lifetime. So visit tibetanwithnorbu.info to have this wonderful Tibetan master course for the beginners and start reading your scriptures and prayer in Tibetan. And if you use this promo code FIRST20, then you will have more surprise for the first 20 enrollers. So enroll now and start speaking, listening, and reading in Tibetan. This is the time. See you there.